In this unboxing video, we take a look at Samsung's new A52 smartphone. This is the non-5G version, which means it only has a 90Hz refresh rate instead of 120. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. Once we remove the cover, we're greeted by the A52 in awesome blue. Now the phone does also come in awesome black, awesome white and awesome violet. Thankfully, Samsung's mid-range phones still ship with a charging brick, and the A52 gets a 15-watt fast charging one. Beside this, you also get a white USB Type-C cable as well as a warranty booklet and other literature on the phone's capabilities. There's no headphones this time. This could be Samsung's way of nudging you towards ditching the cord and joining the wireless revolution. Well, that's it for this unboxing video. We hope you enjoyed it. Please visit gizmochamber.com for more news, reviews and features.